With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, dear student. The question says a body of mass 10 kg and velocity 10 meter per second collides with a stationary body of mass 5 kg. After collision, both bodies stick to each other and velocity of the bodies after collision is unknown. Option A is 3 by 10 meter per second, B 18 by 3 meter per second, C 9 by 20 meter per second, and D 20 by 3 meter per second. So given here is m1 equal to 10 kg and its initial speed is 10 meter per second. Then second body mass is given as 5 kg. So m2 is 5 kg and u2 equal to 0, because for this the word used is stationary, that this body was at rest. Now after collision both the bodies stick. So let's understand this thing with the diagram. This is the horizontal surface. Suppose this is the first body and this one is the second body. So this body was moving with the 10 meter per second, 10 kg mass, and this body was at rest. So its initial speed was 0. Now when 10 kg body collides with this body of 5 kg, both bodies stick with each other and now they are moving with the common velocity v in the same direction after sticking with each other. So any type of collision, we can always apply the conservation of linear momentum for a system of body, provided no external forces acting on it. So over here, since external force acting is equal to 0, therefore we can say that initial momentum of the system is equal to the final momentum. So initial momentum of the system will be, for first body it is m1 u1, for the second body it is m2 u2, and now the final momentum is m1 v plus m2 v, because both the bodies acquire same velocity. So over here we can put the values as 10 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 0 equal to 10 plus 5, and we can take v common. Hence in the left side we get 100 and in the right side we get 15v. So therefore v, that is the final common velocity of the system which is stick to each other, is 100 divided by 15. So it is 20 by 3 meter per second. This is the final answer. So now let's check in the options which option is correct. So in the options, when we check this, we get that option number 4, 20 by 3 meter per second is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.